You've been dreaming, imagining, and wishing for your next escape. We've been waiting patiently for you as well. Our locals are ready to welcome you with open arms and warm hearts. You may not know too much about Pärnu, so let us tell you a secret. Our famous forests have been getting greener. Our white sand beaches are cleaner. Our seas, rivers and lakes fresher. The sun has been kissing our fruit and veg. The wildlife has had a well-earned break, with time to recover, grow and populate. Our secret spots have been silenced, barbecues left untouched, flowers undisturbed, and our saunas switched off. So jump back in with a splash, a dance, a smile and a hug. Your wanderlust is now greater than ever before. And don't forget, our celebrations will be louder when we see you again. The summer will begin from Pärnu.